Boston Ripping Rollers, NBRC. Got some of the kit birds out. One just got taken by a Cooper Hawk. Brought it over there. Over there, the white fence there. See if I can see him over there. No. Can't see him. He's down over near the white fence. The Cooper Hawk took him over there. Had him over near that fence there with the sign. But I haven't let them out in a minute, so they really don't have their wings. That's why I don't like stop flying. I don't like, but what are you gonna do? Make this a little smaller. Yeah. They're hanging around the porch. You know the hawks. See all the birds over there. See all the pigeons up. They're all over the place there. Yeah. They're around. I have falcons, coopers, and red tails. Yeah, they're starting to land on the roof there. There are about like 15 of them there. But there's hundreds of common pigeons. They're all hugging the top of the kit box. Some of them just rolled and almost hit the garage roof there, like 4 or 5 of them. When they just came out off the coop there, just getting their wings, a couple of them almost just hit that roof. And here's the cat. So if one of them rolled down over here, because they're not way up, they do like 30, 35, 40 feet, most of them. They came in real good before I put them away. I figured let them get some exercise, but you can't even let them do that. So what I was thinking about is blocking in. I got plastic. I'm gonna put around the whole porch. So at least they can get out of the little kit box. Well, it's not a really little kit box. It's a pretty big kit box. Well, I put the fiberglass up so they have light because they're not going out, so I try to give them all the light they can. Most of them are in. Most of them stood in, but I believe the hawk was on the wire because it's dented right there on the pen. So he must have been tugging at that earlier, and I didn't know. Because I check the pen out the wire all the time. The red tail probably did that. Or the Cooper. You know, they're pretty big. Red tail's way bigger than the Cooper, but you know, I opened the door, took a black bald head just like that one. You know. And this guy's gonna try to go out. Go ahead, buddy. Come on, be careful of the hawk. Yeah. I should have just kept flying. See if one rolls. I think I'm gonna get them in before they get eaten. I put the food in there, they'll come right in. These tortoise shells, they're all good spinners. I mean, the majority of them, there's not one that doesn't spin in here. If it didn't spin, it wouldn't be in here. You know, short or deep, they're in here. You know, because I count all the ones that weren't spinning. Whoa, see, one just, that one right there, just rolled and hit my arm. There's some hot stuff in here. Sack, this T-check spins his butt off. That ball is pretty deep too. I don't know. The Hock just had all of them up over there, and then the Cooper just took black ball head, just identical to that, you know. Sisters from another set. This right here, this red model hasn't been out yet. That red model hasn't been out yet. But if they go out like the bald head that wasn't out before, yeah, I think the Hock will get those because they've never been out. And I'm really bummed out that I didn't break them in. It was my last set. And, yeah, you know, I got 6 homers in there that are broken in very good. I should have let them out first. I wasn't thinking. But then it would be too crowded in here. You know, I'd like to keep a few perches open so I can at least go back and forth without fighting. This little red model wants to go. All my red model family, I haven't had one that didn't spin yet. I got like a click pair that those spinners, you know, not all of them are deep, but they do go into that tight ball. I mean, they're beautiful to watch. They really are. You know, that red saddle up there, well, offside, hasn't been out. So I don't know what that does. I can't say that it does anything because I just know the red model family. I haven't had one that hasn't spun less than 25 to 30 feet in a nice tight ball. I really like them. If you notice, I think I got 3 models in here. I must have bred from the family of models that I have, at least 30 of them. And I don't have one that's been out. I don't have one they all get taken out. I mean, this red and white family chose good birds, but this one hasn't been out. The one in the corner there, and this one in front of us. Those 3 red and whites haven't been out. But that red and white family, it's basically my model family. This blue bark is ripped. I would like to watch them, but I'm not gonna scare them out. They don't want to come out. They don't have to. I probably should get them in. The ones that are out. Yeah, the homer looks like he's gonna go in. I didn't have room in the small cage for them, so I had to take one in. They're well broken in. I mean, they were easy to break in. I didn't want to scare him off I just opened the door and just whoever wanted to go out could come right out, you know. This bird right here, this brown bird or dun, can rip. I mean, all these birds in here spin into nice tight balls. I enjoy watching them, but it's just hot, you know, when the hawk's picking them off like crazy. You know, I must have bred like 200 birds, and this is all I have left. I think there's like between 39 and 40. I just kept on adding. Every time birds took it out, I just kept on putting them in and breaking them in. That red right there, that solid red, that's pretty well. They're spinning pretty good, these birds. I was hoping that next spring, break them all in again and break in the new ones. Easy, buddy. Yeah, one just almost hit me in the head. This one right here, the silver, just rolled and almost tapped me in the head. So bring my stuff in here. Oh, it goes in black and white. You can get anywhere, you're not broken in. This guy's broken in. 30, 40 footer. You know, I don't got a measuring tape, but when I see him spinning for a long time, that's when I figured they're spinning pretty deep. They do the length of the house, most of them. You know, I won't say they don't bump once in a while or hit the garage, but I keep them flying, and if they were roll downs, they would hit all the time, every time they were out. They don't do that. She's beautiful for a dark check. Yeah, this is the family of birds that I'm breeding. Hope to get all these families into one family. They're about 3 ways there now. That yellow white to Hummer, that cream next to him is pretty good. There's some of that South African ash red there. She can spin too. I got her bloodline in here. It's all mixed in with everything here. She's got to come. I even tried to stalk her in here. I shouldn't be even flying. Like, there's like 10 birds in here. I shouldn't even be flying. I should be breeding. But my breeding quarters, all my hens and my cockbirds is full in my boxes. And I'm going to be weeding down big time soon. But, like, you can only have so many birds. So many good birds. I'll come over here and show you the kit box. I mean, my hens and cocks. There's the hawk right there. I don't know if you can see it. I hope he doesn't come over here. This is the hens. As you see, got a lot of them. And this is the stuff. I won't part with that. Well, I'm gonna part with them someday. But I mean, all this shit is really good. There's a lot of good birds in here. I got like 2 cockbirds in here. They're very young. I don't want to put them up top yet because they're young. They just went through their first molt. Let me me see who's a cockbird here. That's a cockbird. That's from my lavender family, that white. That's a Rickney there, that white there. I got a few families crossed into the black bald heads, the black and whites, the red models in here. Got crossed, triple crossed. That red and white. That red and white. This bronzy red. That's a young cockbird, just molted out. Second molt. You know, the baby molt, and then adult molt. He's still going through it. That's why he's over there sulking a little. This one here, same thing. The lavender right there, badge. Some of the creams. Going through a molt, and that's a hen. That's a hen. That's the fireball family I mixed in with my birds. As you can see in the kit box, there's a lot of torts. I crossed them with the Plona and the Turner and Cook, and those youngsters over there got a little of that Rickney. She just went out. I'm gonna throw a little of that pencil in there with them. Well, these birds are gonna come out all kinds of crazy colors. Nice yellows. Have a go upstairs here. Check on the cockbirds. I mean, I wish I had more room to hold in some more of those birds in the kit box. But I don't have it. Well, crowded house, you know. There's the lavenders up here. I got a little touch of Rickney, Cook, Plona, Turner. No fireball in the lavenders just yet, but I'll be mixing them in. That tort there, it's got almost everything in it. 3 pots of the 5 to 6 families I have. Oh, that lavender hurt his wing, huh? I hope he's all right. See him flinching over there. Yeah, I got some nice birds. My friend gave me this bird here, that yellow. But I think I'm gonna fly him this spring. The yellow mosaic, I think you call it. Yellow and yellow, black. I went over there in the corner. Pretty bird, but I'm gonna fly it. I mean, you know, it's another family that I don't have in the coop, but I don't know what family it is. He doesn't know what family it comes from. Yeah, that's that mosaic there. So I'm gonna break it. I'll add it. You know, if you can spin it. You can't spin, it's gotta go. I'll cull it. Yeah. Birds on my back and be flying around. I don't know if to call them in or just let them hang out here. You know? That black and white was coming in good. that was my second round. I'm gonna fly the heck out of them this spring coming. I should have broke. Well, that's broken in. I flew for a couple months till the hawk started hitting. Like hawkbirds are all in the uproar here because they know these birds are out here. Well, they were, and they're mellowing out now. But as you can see, you can only keep so many good spinners. I'm gonna start rehoming some of these birds. Yeah, the commoners are down on that roof there. That tells me that the hawk ain't busy chasing them. He's probably busy eating. Yeah, I can't believe that bald hicker took him as soon as he came out of the coop. Like one of the first ones that came out. Well, my bird brothers and sisters, you have a great day. And be safe. Bye.